Hey guys, Foggy here, and we're out at the Foggy Proving Grounds. And what we are going to be doing today is we're gonna doing a little bit of a shootout between two machines, and it's going to be the Pioneer 1000 5-seater Deluxe versus the RZR 900S. So we're gonna be doing basically a short little drag race, nothing too crazy. And we're gonna see who comes out on top. I got the jump on you there. Well, uh-oh, my drone's taking off. I think the battery's dying. Okay, ready?
Still got the jump on.
Want to do one more? We were even there for a little bit. Right? You had a way better start there.
Oh yeah.
So, but you're what's that?
Yeah, this is after I got my arse kicked. Now he's celebrating, he's having fun. Hey. Alrighty.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will leave you with this.